Right, just a little tip for you guys. Mail. As a landlord, you may make certain assumptions. You may assume if you employ a letting agency that they will collect your mail. You may assume if you employ internal people that they will collect your mail. Even though they're supposed to, my team, they don't always, although they do most of the time. So you may just have a choice to make. Make sure that all of your utilities, all your bills go to you, whatever your correspondence address is, and not to the property, because we've seen it before. I had it myself where, I can't remember, like a gas company was like, we're going to knock the door down for like a £13 bill. And you're like, but because we didn't know anything about it. And the last thing you want to do is have any blot on your credit rating because the letter went to the wrong property. So just go through everything that comes into that property. So council tax, water rates, gas, electricity, TV license, and any other internet, and any other type of bill that possibly could be, and make sure it's sent over to your address. And then you could choose, and I think it's a quite sensible thing to do, although it does get very costly once you've got a scaled up portfolio like mine, choose to have a redirection service. What I do is I just insist that the guys collect the mail. It's the first time in about 4 years I've been in this house, but I'm picking up the mail. This house, just on the plus side, bought for 203, 45 grand renovation at the time into a 5-bed HMO, brings in 3,200 a month, which is over 1,000 profit, and it just got revalued at 450. Not bad. All right, subscribe to our vids. Practical tips as well as kind of big picture stuff on how to be a property millionaire, and I'll see you soon. Bye.